ba kung ano ang pinakamalaki, pinakamasaya, at pinakabonggang event sa food and beverage industry? Ano pa? E di ang Asia Food Expo.
Asia Food is more on processing, packaging, equipment, and handling. We have also food and drinks, Asia, and food franchising.
Taon-taon ay isinasagawa ang Asia Food Expo or APEX for short. At mas exciting ang APEX ngayong 2008.
Ang maganda ngayon sa Asia Food Expo, we have the national pavilions from different countries. Like we have the Malaysia Pavilion, we have also French Chamber of Commerce, we have the Club, and we have the Taiwan Pavilion and the U.S. Department of Agriculture.
Laging matagumpay ang APEX. Every year, dinudumog ito ng mga tao. Marami kang maaaring makita dito. Gaya ng iba't ibang high-tech machines na ginagamit sa food and beverage industry.
Hygienic o sanitary pumps, ginagamit ito sa mga for the food industry, all types of liquids o paste, tulad ng example mga peanut butter or pumping o kaya chocolates, juices, yan, mga applications sa food industry.
Because this is Asia Food, mostly supposed to be catered to the big industry, big company, you know. But of course, some of them are small. It's the fast food chain and also hotel. We have sort of small equipment. But the big equipment, we cannot bring everything here also. That's why we show some few of these packing machine and also. But the processing, we cannot bring in a big plant, you know, here. Of course, the space is expensive.
Hindi lang ang food and beverage industry ang natutulungan ng APEX. Kahit ang hotel and restaurant industry, natutulungan din ito. Kaya ang mga aspiring chefs, dito rin nagtutungo.
Gumawa kami ng cooking demo, may dalawang recipes na madaling gawin na sa mga bahay, simpleng bahay ng Pilipino. No, na kung ingredients na talagang madalas na meron tayo, pinakita natin ka ng cooking demo. Tapos dito sa food, we're giving away flyers at mga courses na ino-offer para may mapili naman ng mga tao dito kung saan sila pwede mag-aral.
Maliban sa mga food technology at cooking demo, masasaksihan din dito sa APEX ang isang barista challenge.
Nandito kami sa food exposition na APEX is because number one, we're hosting the Grand Barista Cup. We are taking the best baristas from all over the country to compete this afternoon. And the winner will go to Hong Kong to represent the Philippines. Last year, yung winner natin pumunta sa Singapore. So what we're trying to do here is elevate the profession of being kaming barista, no?
Pero, ito talaga ang pinagkakaguluhan ng mga tao dito. Ang iba't ibang pagkain na naka-display. Karamihan dito ay sa murang halaga mabibili. Hindi lang yan, marami pang free taste.
Unlike with the other companies na nagsaserve ng fried noodles, we also serve fried rice. We have siopaw. Yung iba, basically, siomai lang no? Kami, meron kaming fried dumplings, meron kaming fried lumpia.
Nandito kami para i-promote yung mga products namin na gawa sa Lipa, Batangas. So, nung mahanap din kami ng mga distributor dito para ma-expose lalo yung products namin dito sa Manila.
Kasi madalas sumasali naman talaga kami dito sa At the same time, makakuha na rin ng mga customer, tapos additional exposure na rin ng product namin.
Nag-exhibit po kami ng mga products namin at nagbebenta rin kami dito para matikman yung aming masarap na chicken nuggets at hotdog.
Actually, we're selling our own Italian sauces. All you have to do is just boil some pasta, then instant pasta sauce. Yes, ma'am, no cooking needed with authentic Italian flavoring.
Nag-join kami kasi gusto namin ma-expose yung product line namin. Meron kaming iba't ibang products na nasa booth namin. Meron kaming booth sa banda roon. And at the same time, meron kaming food service department kung saan ang produkto namin kagaya ng mga margarina, shortening, saka mga vegetable oil and corn oil in bulk and tin sizes ay available din po dito sa booth namin.
Sabi nga ng mga exhibitors, malaki ang naitutulong ng APEX. Hindi lamang sa kanila, kundi pati na rin sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs.
This is the best show that those entrepreneurs are looking for a business, looking for a franchise business, and also looking for suppliers for their equipment.
Sayang at tapos na ang Apex. Pero huwag mag-alala at meron pa naman uli next year.
Wow, ang saya naman ang nakakaingit si Emily. Oo nga, pero first teacher pa lang yan. Sa ating pagbabalik, alamin natin ang iba't ibang paraan ng pagpinta sa primary satellite ng